What's in the pot? That's how we would pour it. It's a tea my great-grandfather taught me years ago, that you can drink hot or you can drink cold. He mentioned to me that back in the time when he was growing up, there wasn't any hospitals or doctors for them to go to. Dom was born 1900. Dom said that the skin of every living thing is the most powerful part of it. He said the sun penetrates through the skin to the inside and gave that outer part of it the strongest and more nutritious. And so during the days when we would go to his field, he and I together, or when we cook in the house, he would always explain to me why he's using this skin or why he's using this herb. And this recipe today that I'm about to show you was one of his favorites, because pineapple is widely grown in Jamaica and most family has them. In this pot is the peel of a pineapple, the orange peel that he taught me. Whenever time you're eating orange, take the peel off and put it in the sun and let the sun dry and cure the peel, and then later make it for tea. The stick of a cinnamon. This tea, he said, keep him very healthy, and so that I should drink it when I become a man very often. That's how we would pour it. Dom, pineapple skin, orange peel, cinnamon sticks, and clove. It's a cleanse. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more great recipe from Chef Shrimpy, from my great-grandfather Dom. And if you have any recipes that you have learned from your great-grandfather, great-grandmother, or foreparents, please leave them in the comment. Every like, share, and subscribe is in favor of Dom. His knowledge to me did not go with him in the grave, and that's why I am sharing it today.